Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys have been okay. This is actually my first video of Nairobi County. As you know, a few weeks ago I was backpacking around Kenya, and I did the Kwale, Kilifi and Mombasa and Garissa County. So if you haven't watched those videos, please make sure you go check them out. So currently I'm actually in Nairobi Safari Walk, and yeah, we all know that Nairobi has been locked for quite some time now. So I'm actually meeting a friend of mine here. Like I said, I'm actually in Nairobi Safari Walk, and yeah, it's actually an awesome place. If you have time before this all lockdown thing ends in the Nairobi, please make sure you come check this place out. So yeah, it's only 200 bob. So let's walk and explore this place. This is actually the second time I'm actually coming here. Yes, so let's walk and explore this beautiful amazing place. Finally, I've actually met my friend Michina. Yo, say hi.
What's up, Vince World? I'm glad to be here, man.
And
It's been a long
he
time
also
coming.
has
My cousin. She's camera shy.
sorry, I'll actually cover her face with an emoji. So guys, we're actually here at Safari Walk, and basically we just wanna walk around here. This is actually the second time I'm coming here, and you can see some lions there. We just want to walk around, and this is what lockdown has actually brought us to do. The county is locked, and there are no places you can go, so all you need to do is just come and explore Nairobi County. Like I said, this is actually my first episode of Nairobi County. I'll be doing some crazy stuff. I'll be doing some street hunt, some street food hunt in Nairobi. So if you haven't subscribed, man, please subscribe, and make sure you subscribe to my G's,
The Kenyan Wonder Soul.
the Kenyan Wonder Soul. Yeah, so let's explore this amazing place. So guys, let me tell you more about this guy. He's actually he should actually be looking this head. So he's actually no, let him introduce, let him just say.
What am I supposed to say? It's very weird if I'm like taking over your camera.
No, it's okay. I've actually agreed. I've actually given you permission to talk. So
I'm the Kenyan Wonder Soul. I'm also a backpacker, but I don't do it the way this guy does it, man. This guy is the real OG.
No, not
We are supposed to do this trip with this guy, but
trust
watch
me,
out to send me my schedule.
Would you actually have done?
I would have, for real. Me napenda, I love challenges, and this guy has been doing like crazy shit. When he went to Garissa, I was like, wait, are you going to survive? Itakuwa vipi? But I'm glad you made it. At least alirudi nyumbani. We are so glad to have him back.
The lockdown got me here, so.
Yeah.
So what you're actually planning to do, this is my plan after Nairobi County. I'm supposed to be doing the western part of Kenya. The western part of Kenya, which is I started the Nakuru County, going the other side. So basically, if you know awesome places or hidden gems in those western counties that people haven't actually discovered, or people haven't highlighted, just write them down at the comment section there, and let me know what you actually think. So I'm an extreme traveler, yes, and I love just putting myself out there and being or getting out of my comfort zone to, you know, get you this amazing content. The reason I actually started with this place as my first episode of Nairobi County, it's because it's open. It's a tourist attraction that's actually open during this pandemic, and it's open during this pandemic, and people can actually visit. So if you're actually in the house, now that you actually know that Nairobi County has been, you know, locked, if you're actually in the house wondering where you can actually come, you can actually come here. It's an awesome place to relax, to, you know, do whatever you want to do. So let's still just walk, and let me show you how amazing this place looks like. If you haven't subscribed, please make sure you actually subscribe to my YouTube channel, and yes, let's so guys, there's another place here. It's actually the end of this, we call this trail, our safari walk
Trail.
yeah, at the end of this trail, where, you know, this is actually not the end of the video. So when you actually come, this is a place you can come chill, and, you know, you get these awesome views here.
But then made us put a vaccine.
I don't want to die. But probably where did you say if you want to see the lions?
Oh, there, yeah. There's actually one lion.
Not these. If animals, let me say for example, if animals are being caged, this is actually the best way of actually caging them.
Yeah.
You know, people always say that lions don't eat grass. Do you know they do?
Do they?
Yes.
Oh, this is a cool photo of us, huh? Ah, yeah, it is. Shida ni hii, it's so unclear, it's so dirty.
Yeah, he is okay. I don't know if you guys can actually see the lion, but yeah, there it is. The glasses are very, very dark.
They are so dirty. Yes, mimi nilijaribu ku. That's the problem.
Now this,
It's better you're an orphanage. By the way,
these are actually caged very well. This is okay.
Not like the ones at orphanage.
No.
Orphanage is just like a small, and then unajua hii kwa
At least it has,
environment yake,
yeah.
Hiyo ni mchanga inakaa tu very hivi.
There's one there too.
Ah, this is what we were looking for.
Yeah.
Ndio.
ilikuwa inaenda.
Na tunasema
Watu wameboeka manze.
watu wa Nairobi juu ya lockdown.
Safari walk imejaa manze, unaweza dhania ni
And apparently if the lockdown itatolewa,
yeah.
utapata wasee
Nobody will be coming to visit such places.
nobody will be coming.
Right now, everybody's around. I'm like, dudes, it's just Rhino and you know, really nothing. Yeah, but everybody's over here. Ah, this is
So you thought that zebra was like...
Because it was just there.
So guys, you're actually coming to the end of this nature walk. Basically we just came here to have fun because of the lockdown that's going on in Nairobi. We have no place to go.
Yep.
And this is a place, you can actually come during this lockdown time. So you come, you chill. It's only 200 bob, and it's
Yes. Now you know.
yeah, so when you come here, it's just 200 bob, and you come, you get to see zebras, you get to see, you get to see lions, you get to see different kind of animals. So again, another thing is the Muchino is actually saying a lot of people are actually here today mainly because there's lockdown in Nairobi. There's nowhere people can actually go. People can't go to those long Naivasha road trips, the Subaru guys. But when you actually come here, you get to experience a lot. The nature is very calming, and yeah, it's just next to the road, not really far, and yeah. What's been your experience walking?
It's been great. It's a good place to come, by the way. But the only reason I've come is because I was meeting my guy Vince, and there was nothing else to do at home, to be very honest with you. I was so bored. It's a Saturday. There's nothing to do. Swimming pools are closed. Gyms are closed. The only place that you can come openly is such a place.
So basically, we actually came here because of lockdown.
Yeah,
so
but is it worth it to you?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
It's worth it because I can't come here alone. It's worth it because I actually came and met you. So.
And the thing is, I feel like if you come at such a place once, you shouldn't go to another place. It doesn't really make sense to me.
It doesn't.
I don't know why I should come to Safari Walk or whatever, the nature park or whatever, and then I go to say to another park in Amboseli. I know it's different experience, but for me, not unless with different people, if you're just coming to see the animals, no need to. No need to.
Of course. Because they're just the same.
It's the same thing.
The same thing.
I constantly, the animals are so lazy, they're just there. It's like they don't want to be seen. I'm like, yo, I've paid 2 sok to come and see you. You better changamka, my friends. They're just there. They're just lazing around. But it's been fun. It's been amazing. Yeah.
So guys, tell me what you think about this video. This is the first episode of Nairobi County. I'll also be doing very different things that people haven't done. I'll be covering some pretty much dangerous things in Nairobi. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's just continue spreading the narrative. Be safe, and during these corona times, of course. So subscribe, and bye.